Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Realme 14R and I want to show you how to clean up cache and data on this device. We start off opening settings application. In it we look for our apps selection and there manage apps. There we have list of our all application. Find your application which you want to clear, maybe booking, and their storage. To clear it we press clear data, but I don't have any data there. You can open calendar maybe. There's storage and tap on clear data, and to clear only cache we press clear cache and confirm it by OK. But to clear all data we make the same, but clear all data and confirm by OK. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.